If you want to turn an image into a shape in PowerPoint, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to make your slides look more polished, more creative, and a lot more professional. You can use it for profile photos, design elements, icons, highlight images, or any visual you want to fit into a specific shape. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add your image. To begin, click the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then choose Pictures. From here, select the image you want to use from your computer. Once the image appears on the slide, click on it to make sure it is selected. Now look at the top menu and find the Picture Format tab. This tab only appears when your image is selected, so if you do not see it, just click the image once more. Inside Picture Format, find the Crop button. Next to Crop, there was a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open more options and then choose Crop to Shape. As soon as you click Crop to Shape, PowerPoint will show you a list of shapes you can use. You can choose a circle, a rectangle, a rounded rectangle, a star, a heart, or many other shapes depending on the look you want. Click the shape you prefer and PowerPoint will instantly change your image into that shape. If needed, you can also adjust the image after applying the shape. For example, you can drag it to reposition the picture inside the shape, or resize it to make it fit better on the slide. This is really helpful if you want the most important part of the image to stay visible. You can even experiment with different shapes until you find the one that best matches your design. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to turn an image into a shape in PowerPoint. It's fast, easy, and a great way to make your presentation stand out. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.